All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 24, mini project flyer game. So this level is doing just one thing, and that is to create your sprites that you'll use in your program. The player sprite has already been created for you, but you can change its animation. You'll need at least 4 sprites, a player, the flyer, a target, the coin, and 2 obstacles, the rocks. You can change their animations to anything you want. So mine is already done, and that's because I was playing with it earlier. And so I am still using the same idea of the flyer bot and the rocks, but I am making mine a little different. So here is my version of the flybot, and then I'm going to put 100 and then 300 so you can see them. And I've changed the rocks to be kind of fun rocks. So there we go. Those are my sprites, and I've got my player sprite scaled, everything set up. The coins are just going to be the same coin that's used in the actual game. And the rocks are, like I said, a little bit different and just something fun. Okay, so that's it. You're just going to set your sprites up, and if you don't know how to do that by now, Lord help you. But just ask me, and I will help you out. Okay. So with that, I will see you guys on level 3. This is going to be a lot easier than you think it is, I promise. All right, here we go.